Alright, the rampin shop, guys. Repeat them when you and want make money same time. Simple. This is what me da do. So for instance, I have $20 in my account. 20 to 150 capital, right? All I do, you forward down so you click market auto select, make sure so they tick beside auto select, so anytime I click a barrier, you select the base pair automatically. You don't depend on overtree. What I like do, I like press a different digit and then click back on overtree because I love use my overtree. Just for confirmation, right? The duration should be one tick duration. Initial stake 0.50. Zine martingale 1.5. Zine the max stake is how much you want the martingale for no pass. So if you want make sure say your martingale no pass 50, you put 50. You see, so you're not gonna pass that stake there. Amount that we need to try to recover, you see me? Alright, the profit target now for a small account, as I say, and target from $3 to $5. You see me? Yeah, and just rinse and repeat. Zine, then last threshold. So if last threshold is the amount you're willing for risk with the whole trade. So if you have $100 account and you're willing for risk $100, you put the $100 as a last threshold. You see me? Yeah. So this is the settings, guys. So please, guys, don't make me post a video and then gonna ask me, gonna ring my phone and ask me same question and I just make the video about. Please, guys, it's very easy. Just follow the instruction, then I run. When you reach a target now, guys, you just press run again. You can repeat it for the whole day until you reach the amount of money you want to make. This is one of my favorite strategies. I can use this the whole day, literally. You see me? If you beat them have a $20 account them and them thing there, make sure your max stake are like your max stake can be like about $5. Put $5 for your max stake and them thing there, you see me? Even big account, if you don't want the max stake to pass a certain amount for risk too much in each trade, you put down a small amount, you know, so it'll take a good while to recover, but at least you have money to recover it, you see me? Yeah. I want to get 2 losses back to back so it can up and put me in a higher profit. Because that's how it works. When I get your losses, then you just want to know, say, recover in time, you see me? For market sweet in the morning, at all. Profit target reach. See it? With just 28 trades. So I'm love rampin shop. Favorite right now. See there? You see me? So yeah. That is it. Use the settings I show now again. See settings are small accounts. Over 3.